Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a discount on QuickBooks Invoice. First, open QuickBooks and go to your Products and Services list. You'll need to create a new service item, naming it something clear like Discount. Make sure to link this new item to an income account, often a dedicated Discounts Given account, to track these reductions accurately. This setup ensures your financial reports reflect the correct net sales. Once your discount item is set up, applying it to an invoice is straightforward. Simply open the invoice you wish to modify or create a new one for your client. In the Line Item section, select the discount item you just created. Then, enter the discount amount as a negative number, for example, -$50, to reduce the total. This clearly shows the price reduction to your customer. You have flexibility in how you apply discounts. For a fixed dollar amount, like $25 off, you simply enter -$25. If you're offering a percentage discount, say 10%, calculate that amount first based on the subtotal, then enter it as a negative value. Always double-check that the discount correctly reduces the invoice subtotal before sending it to your client, ensuring accuracy and transparency. To maximize the impact of your discounts, always communicate the terms clearly to your customers upfront. This builds trust and avoids misunderstandings. Also, regularly review your discount strategies to ensure they are effective and contributing positively to your business goals. For more great insights on managing your finances, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It's a great resource for anyone looking to improve their financial understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.